Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 microphone is picking up output audio problem. First method is playing audio troubleshooting. Second method is type mmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmsys.cpl. Uncheck listen to this device. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Microphone, click Properties, click Driver tab. First step is Update Driver. If fails, second step is Rollback Driver. If fails, third step is uninstall device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.